Yes, fusion rifle was totally necessary to take out those swarmers.
Don't go anywhere, they've only got one force field left.
And now we turn... Okay. Apparently, by turning off the force fields, we started the drill.
Go figure.
That was nowhere near said force fields. Sure.
Like, you know, whatever.
It happens.
In stage 2, our contestant must boost his way up to the second tier and capture 6 control nodes.
This one's annoying.
Yeah, this is irritating. There's a lot of spawns. And boosting your way up to the second tier is not difficult. Freeze. Do we want anything with it yet?
Probably.
What do we want to have it? Arbiter?
Yeah, let's have something on the Arbiter.
Anything else?
I don't know.
This isn't... Hunter Mind isn't good until it's the Stalker Mind to have with them. Yeah, I think we should just have it with the Arbiter.
Okay.
Actually, no. Freeze mod, when it hits your opponents, it encases them in ice and makes them immobile. It's really useful. Except there's some enemies that can't be encased, like those. This way. Like, he is now encased. Those turrets you will learn to hate. In this mission especially. Especially.
Interesting fact, folks.
Turrets!
Zone started out with 2 guys fighting over a breakfast burrito, and the rest is history.
Darn it. Freeze were off of that thing.
Taking the first node. Oh, they really did some damage. Not. Kill me.
Not if I kill you first.
You know, Walida, there's no need to get personal, huh? We're both professionals.
This creature is clearly much too dangerous to be set free. He must be destroyed.
Two down, 3 to go, 4 to go. I can count! I swear! You know what you get for picking a crappy weapon.
It's not like I have a choice right now. If I did, I didn't have the turrets.
Crappy weapon.
That's my fault.
And for calling the magma cannon crappy at the very beginning.
I'm a big fan of it.
Hence, your weapon is crap. What hit me? Alright, now we can do this.
Nope,
Never mind. Okay, you got it.
Apparently I'm doing it.
And there
We need to pick up some ammo. Back to the beginning! Normally, like, the safe way, there's probably, like, a really safe way down on the under area, but that's no fun, and I died. Pick up some ammo. Let's go. 2 more.
I like the Arbiter.
It's a good weapon. Magma Cannon's almost finished leveling. You are in my way. Again!
Wow, that giant exploding drill was neat! Who would have thought the highly toxic drill fuel would leak out the back of the factory, endangering countless lives? I did!
He needs to be shot.
And it appears that we are done for the night. We will probably be seeing more of you tomorrow morning. Anyway, night everybody.